There is a difference between buying a land for land banking purposes and buying a land for investment purposes. These are two different areas of buying lands, right? When you're buying a land for land banking purposes, you are basically storing value in that land. So you're looking for at a 5 to 10 years window before you cash out on the land, right? You're going to where people have not gone to yet, where infrastructure, very key, has not reached yet, and you're buying a property in that place, before everybody else, so that you can sell at a higher price after a couple of years. But if you're buying for investment purposes, you're more strategic. You're not looking at the future, you're looking at now. So you're buying at where government infrastructure already exists or government infrastructure is ongoing. These are the kind of lands that, or these are the kind of properties that you can flip between 6 months to 1 year and make 50%, 100% profits, even 200% profit, depending on the kind of infrastructure going on in that kind of place. A good example is Karsana. So anybody buying into Karsana currently is buying strategically. Why? Because Karsana has roads, road networks going there. The Renew Hope project is going in Karsana. So if you're buying a property in Karsana right now, you're looking at a property that can appreciate between 6 months to 1 year. That's buying for investment purposes. But if you're going to somewhere like Guagalada, Kuje, Karishi, and you're hoping to cash out in 6 months, you might be surprised, and you might be disappointed because you're not gonna cash out, because no infrastructure is going on in that place, and buyer speculation currently low in those kind of areas. So you need to understand the difference between the two, because sometimes Rita will tell you buy this land for 4.5 million in Karachi. In the next few months, the land is going to be 10 million. You can sell it for 10 million. And when you need money, you want to sell that land, you find out that there's no buyer for the land. And the reason why is because that land is basically in a place that's not developed. There's no infrastructure, there's no demand for that particular land. So you might be unable to sell when you want to sell that land. I hope you learned something from this.